Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix your emails on Google Classroom so that you don't get a zillion emails every day. So, once you're in your Google Classroom, don't be alarmed by how many classes I have. You're going to click your classes tab and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom. And oh, it's hard to see because this guy's here. Let's move that. So, it says settings. So, all the way down from classes, you're going to go to settings. Then once you're in settings, there's notifications and email. So you can turn that completely off so you don't get any emails. I don't recommend that. I more recommend keep email on, but decide what you want to get emails for. So, for example, if you want emails on comments on your post or private comments on your post, turn that on. If you want emails for whenever I post an assignment, you can keep that on. But this is the one that's going to get you that you're going to get tons and tons of emails because anytime any of your teachers post an assignment, that's going to be on there. I have mine on because I'm not really a student in many classes, so it doesn't bother me. And then you can also get emails if you want when your work is returned with grades, or you can turn that off and just check it on Classroom. It's your choice. So then when we go down here, you can also go to class notifications and turn on or off notifications by class. So, for example, if you wanted notifications for ELA on, but this class, whatever, that's going to be off, you can do that also.